Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In this lecture, we will discuss how to find the density of state of a material through Material Studio. So, for that, we have already optimized structure of cerium dioxide. So, after optimization, if you want to find the density of state of the material, first of all, you will click on the output structure of the optimized unit cell of cerium dioxide. When you click on calculation, you will get this type of interface in which we have first of all setup. In setup, the task of our calculation was geometric optimization. So you will change this task to property because we are going to find the property of the material. So that is why we change the task and all other parameters like quality, like functionals, and all the others in electronics will remain same. You should go to the property option, and property you should check the density of state box because we are interested in density of state, and also check here calculate PDOS mean partial density of state. So also check this one. You will get the partial density of state of the material, and go to job control. All the things are okay, and click on run button. When you click on run button, the calculation will be going to start like this. This will take very less time because we take the unit cell of cerium dioxide, and also it's depend on the calculation setup. When you give correct calculation setup to Material Studio for your particular material, it's depend on it also. So look here, the calculation is going to run out. After some time, our calculation will done. So our job is completed. After that, we will go to the output file of the density of state. So this is output file of the density of states. We can see our output file is completed. After that, we will go to CASTEP analysis. Click on analysis, and here we will check on density of state. We click on new, so we can view the density of state of cerium dioxide. This is a density of state of cerium dioxide graph. If anyone interested to find the partial density of state, for that we will go to click on structure. After that, again we will go to CASTEP analysis, and then click on density of state. Here we have a option with a partial. If you want to see all the density of state like S, P, D, F, want to see, then you will check all of these. If you are only interested in S, so you will check only S state, and then click on atom section, select the atoms. We have cerium dioxide, so we want to see oxygen atom. You can here see from here, and the oxygen atom connected. After that, you can view partial density of state of oxygen atoms, and also if you want to see the intensity of cerium, you can intensity like this. Okay, so thank you so much.